Welcome to the wonderful lemon tree. The lemon tree is more than just a source of citrus. It's a beautiful, fragrant addition to any garden or home. If you've ever wanted to grow your own, you're in the right place. Imagine stepping outside and picking a fresh, juicy lemon right from your own tree. That's the magic we're talking about today. We'll cover everything you need to know, from the essential care and best cultivation practices to the many diverse uses of fresh lemons. Let's start with the basics, setting your lemon tree up for success with the right growing conditions and planting methods. Lemon trees thrive in full sun and warm climates. Make sure to choose a location that provides at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight and protect it from harsh frost. When planting, use well-draining soil that is slightly acidic. If you're using a pot, ensure it has good drainage holes to prevent root rot. The best time to plant is typically in spring or early summer. When transplanting, be gentle with the roots and water thoroughly afterwards. Once planted, consistent care is vital for a healthy, fruit-bearing lemon tree. This includes proper watering, feeding, and pruning. Water deeply when the top inch of soil is dry. Lemon trees are heavy feeders, so regular fertilization, especially during the growing season, is crucial for maximum fruit production. Pruning helps maintain shape, improves air circulation, and encourages fruiting. Remove dead or crossing branches to keep your tree healthy. Every gardener faces challenges. Knowing how to identify and solve common issues will ensure your lemon tree thrives. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and scale. Treat minor infestations with horticultural oil or insecticidal soap. Yellow leaves often signal a nutrient deficiency, usually nitrogen, or improper watering. Adjust your fertilization or watering schedule accordingly. The best part is harvesting the reward of your hard work and putting those fresh lemons to use. Lemons are ready when they turn bright yellow and feel slightly soft when gently squeezed. Use pruning shears to cut them off the branch. From refreshing lemonade and delicious cooking to natural cleaning solutions and aromatic home scents, fresh lemons have endless uses. The lemon tree is a fantastic addition to any home, providing beauty, fragrance, and an abundance of versatile fruit. With a little knowledge and consistent care, you can enjoy the many benefits of growing your very own lemon tree. Ready to start your lemon tree journey? Hit subscribe for more gardening tips and let us know about your growing success in the comments.